Hey guys, so today I'm out here and it's the holiday, so I was off work today. Now tomorrow I gotta go back to work, and guess what? I don't feel like cooking. So to stay on my healthy meals regimen, I'm gonna go in here to Food Line. I'm gonna try to find some things that I don't really need to cook. So I'm just gonna show you guys how to do it if you want to go or you have a rough day and you don't have time to cook. This is what you can go and pick up. I'm gonna try to film in the supermarket, but it's a lot of people in here today, so I don't know if I'll be able to film in the supermarket. If not, I will just let you guys know what was I get on. Either way, stay tuned. All right. So we got a lot of selections here. We have some watermelon. Let's see. That's only $1.88. But I'm cheap. So I think I'm gonna go for the one that's $1.15. Not much, but enough for me. Then we have the onions already cut up. Oh, excuse me. That's fine. No. No, I don't want those. But thank you though. You too. Okay, and they have the onions already cut up here. Let's see, I'm gonna get these ones for $1.67. And this is to go on my salad, so I'm gonna have that. And what else? Let's see. We have some peppers here, but I'm probably not going to eat those. Those will go bad. So I want to stick with my watermelon and my onions, and we'll see what we have next. All right. Okay, so guys, I also picked up me some romaine lettuce, the Italian kind, already cut and ready to go. And my favorite dressing, which is honey mustard. I don't get the fat-free dressing. I use regular dressing. I just don't overload it. And we'll see what's up next. I had to get out of that area. It was crazy. Okay, now I'm over here by the waters. And I love these wild berry Nestle flavored waters. So I'm going to get some of those. They're not as good as plain water, but I mean, it's better than soda. So I may get a pack of waters also, but right now I'm just gonna get my wild berry, and then I'm gonna get my son some Capri Sun spring waters, and that'll be it in this aisle. Okay, lastly guys, I'm gonna get me a rotisserie here. I don't know if you can see it, but right here. See this rotisserie? Nice old healthy cooked bird. And it's only $4.99, so this will last me at least a day or two. My son loves chicken, so probably not even that long. And that's pretty much it. I may grab some steamable broccoli in a bag that does in the microwave for about 5 minutes, and then that'll be it. That's what I'll be eating for the next few days. Quick and easy. Okay, I decided to go ahead and show y'all what I get as far as the broccoli is concerned. I've done this in another video before, but just want to show y'all again. See this? I don't know if you can see it. It's a steamable bag of broccoli. It takes like 5 minutes in the microwave, and it's so good. So I'm going to go ahead and get a bag of these, and this is $1.39. And I'm at Food Lion, so just in case you have one in your neighborhood. Okay, so guys, this is what I picked up in case you missed it. It was a little crazy in the grocery store. I got some Italian already cut and fresh romaine lettuce. I'll say salad mix because it comes with the crunchy romaine lettuce and the red cabbage. This one is really good. This is my favorite. And I also have the steamable broccoli. Goes in the microwave 5 minutes, like I said. Then it'll be perfect. And I love this honey mustard here by Ken's Steakhouse. And I have an orange pepper. That's the only thing that I'm going to have to put some arm work into, because I'm going to have to cut that up. Yeah, and I also have a slice of watermelon. And that was only $1. I consider that a deal. And these grapes here are for my son. He loves grapes. I don't really eat a lot of them. And here's my cut up onions here. And they were only $1.67, guys. So all of this, along with my rotisserie chicken, will be my meal prep for the next day or two. And that way, I don't have to cook a thing. So there you go.